How to cut a video in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a video that I'm gonna use as an example. The way that you would cut this video is by dragging onto the point where you want to cut. So let's say for example here, and then making sure that the video that you want to cut is selected, because if there's multiple videos and you don't select anything, it's gonna cut everything. So make sure that the video you want to cut is selected, and then click Ctrl and B, like that. Now you can also use this blade tool right here, so I'm just gonna do that. Let's go on to the same point, which is here. We can get the blade tool and we can just click this like that. And what I've done here is basically the same thing. The only difference about doing this with the blade tool is that you can see the line clearly right here. And then in the preview window, you can see the exact frame that this line is on. But for me, it's easier to cut the video just by letting the video play out and then cutting the video as it's playing. And there you go. That's how to cut a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.